Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the password on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change your password in your Pinterest account, I just going to show in this video a step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, click on your profile picture on the top. And if you're just using a normal business profile, just need to click on the three dot option on the top on the right side. Now, you just need to click on the account management. After click on the account management, you have the option called password below the email option in the personal information. So click on the password, and here you just need to enter your current password on the top. Then you just need to enter your new password here. After entering the new password, click on the done option. That's it. This is how you just change your password on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super Babu content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.